seamstress in my house. Damn it, I fumbled it. Soho seamstress and seam. Let me show you around. Follow me.
Do you want to show me your favorite purse in your collection?
I know what you're thinking. It's not a Louis. It depends on the occasion. I like this one because it can hold my film camera, but it's like leopard print, but it's Prada.
Okay.
Prada. Or maybe this one's also really funny. I love this one. Gucci. Denim. Studded. You know the movie 13? That's what this reminds me of. Fake Fendi, but we love her anyway.
So she's a really good fake, isn't it?
No, because the F's are like, there's no F. It's like they meet. This, the tiniest little girl. This Prada's good. This is like, okay, this is like a picnic Prada. I took her on a bender up to Whistler last summer and she didn't survive. It's also really dirty. I'm putting this down the list. You know what? I think I like the way this one sits. Like, I'm just never wearing gold.
What's your opinion of mixing gold and silver?
I don't allow it. If there's like a little bit of gold on my purse, then I have to change all the jewelry I'm wearing to gold. Earrings, necklace, rings, bracelet, everything. Anklet, toe ring. It all has to go.
Show me your favorite new add to your closet that you've bought in recently.
This one's pretty fun.
Like, what are you wearing that with?
See, it's hard because you're not supposed to wear it with anything. You can't.
It's really cute.
This pink fur scarf with the fingers. I think it might be these.
Okay, love. Okay, what's your
Keep rolling.
favorite and least favorite trend happening right now?
I don't like a slouchy boot.
What's your favorite thing right now?
I mean, I love that people love the flared pant, but also my newest, like, what I've been searching for when I'm thrifting is, like, long skirts that have, like, a flippy bottom to wear with, like, really dainty little heels. Okay, so we've got this one. Like, I want movement in the bottom. This one. This one really reminds me of my mom, but in, like, a fun way. My boyfriend hates it. This one is really, like, 2007. Like, it's the one you fold.
Oh, yeah. It's like slink. Oh.
Yeah, it's really crazy. And, like, maybe I hate it, but maybe I don't.
Okay.
This one gives me 13 going on 30. Little lace. Also, like, with this, could you imagine? This one, like, Little House on the Prairie. Maybe you put a boot with it. I actually have a really cute boot that I've worn it with.
I found 5 pieces and I'm gonna get her to style them for me. So this is one of them.
It's like vintage 19, I want to say 50.
And then I have this piece, Le Chateau.
That is in 90s. Le Chateau real suede miniskirt.
And then
Crazy Dorina cargos that are like Kim Possible with like a 1-inch zipper.
those are crazy.
I know, they come with a matching belt.
Want it to be like with like a jacket, a shoe.
Yeah, and like a bag. Like, I know what an outfit requires.
I want you to style this skirt actually too.
It's cute. You have to wear this as the top.
This is the first one, which is the blue skirt.
Well, first we have our little Bratz boots. They're really uncomfortable. They're really cute. And then we've got a little tube top, something basic. We have our beaded fake denim Fendi. And then we've got our little beaded rosary necklace to tie our beads together. The look, I would say, going to like lunch with friends, last minute touch in New York City.
Okay.
Because I'm thinking lunch, like I'm thinking daytime.
Where am I wearing it? What is it? Ow. Jesus.
Cut and cut. I don't think do it up all the way, it looks weird. This is a bit of a Gretchen Wieners. It's like a preppy Y2K schoolgirl. Grade 11 math in a hypothetical movie. Yeah, then we have another layer to it. I think the shoes really work with the bag too. It's like mature meets childish. Or, you know, maybe you don't want to be like show too much skin, and we've got this crazy That's So Raven sword. It is almost the same color of like Dusty Rose. It's like really almost the exact same color. This one's like more fun, it's more crazy.
Like, where am I wearing this?
You're peacocking. Now you're peacocking. You're looking for a compliment on the street. And you're gonna get one. I just literally saw a snowflake. Oh!
Third thing are these Dorinas. Cargo.
They're crazy. They're like so wide leg, the height that you need. Those are incredible. I love it. I want to try this vintage little kids Harley Davidson jacket. Try those. Those are Prada. Beautiful. It's Kim Possible. She's on the run. Fast and Furious 1. We got our little chrome hearts. This is like a tough girl, bad girl, cute girl. And cut. Like, we're doing different vibes. We're different girls. It's making me hate the other girl now that I met this girl. I'd be embarrassed to be in the other outfit in front of her. I'm actually really over that one. I think we need to cut that whole outfit.
This little.
It's a little vintage. Oh my god.
Let's see it.
Cut. Also, I do feel like this would be really cute with like something pink. Have a little pink little tube top.
Okay.
Do a little like cutesy moment. That being said, we have another like tough girl little moto little strap jacket. Actually, maybe I like that more. That works with the shirt better. It's giving Julia Fox in the sunglasses. You don't know who Julia Fox is? I thought you had TikTok. Cut it. Cut that.
Okay, walk me through it.
This one we're gonna call a joke, but you know, it's fun. It's giving fun. Fun. Like, it's fun. I almost feel like if we did a different shirt, it could be a wearable outfit. And like, obviously took the scarf off your head.
Can we try it?
Yeah. Yeah, more. That's better actually. Or put it back on your head, I don't know. It was crazier that way. It's more fun.
It's crazy.
Also not. It's really cute. This is a girl who is out of her mind. She's gonna go sell her Manolos to pay her rent. This bag on the inside, it's like a lunch bag. Wait, hold the frigging phone.
I'm also a hat guy.
It has to be really like Ashton Kutcher punked. It really, I have to say, this goes with my apartment so well, this outfit. Like, it should be like the dress code. Like, it really works with the background. I love it. I'm drinking Aperol soda right now. Are we live? Okay, this is my favorite. This is a romantic mirror palais date night. If he's not in love with you in Italy in this outfit, what are you doing wrong? It's not the outfit. I do feel like a trend right now is like sort of a Catholic kind of Dolce & Gabbana, like Monica Bellucci moment. And that's what we're doing here. You're wearing it on the cobblestones in Italy.
In the shoe?
You're gonna hold on to him or her. Do whatever you want. Almost if you wrapped it around. But I wouldn't fully wear a jacket with this outfit. I don't think it's a jacket with this outfit. This outfit is no jacket. This looks stupid. Show me the shoe, kick up your foot, and then show me the like point of it.
You see it actually?
Yeah, gorge. Love. We love. We want to take it into this century, and by this century I mean 2003, with this pleather white, sort of tacky little number just to be like, we're not too serious. We're keeping it light. We're fun. We love it.
Okay.
You definitely must be worn with a crucifix. That's it, yes. It must be.